この言葉は異なると言います。異なるは何かが他のものと違うという意味です。例えば、考え方や意見が異なるときに使われます。日常会話で物事の違いについて話すときによく使います。異なる、異なる。The word 異なる、異なる means to differ or to be different. It is used to indicate dissimilarity between things or ideas. For example, you might use it to describe how two opinions or two things are not the same. The first kanji means different or unusual. It conveys the idea of something that stands out from the norm or is distinct in some way. For example, in the word 異常, which means abnormal, this kanji illustrates that something deviates from what is expected. Similarly, in the vocabulary 脅威, meaning wonder or surprise, the use of this kanji emphasizes the extraordinary nature of the thing provoking awe. Lastly, in sai, meaning difference, the kanji highlights the contrast between two or more items, reinforcing its core meaning of being different. We have different opinions. 私たちは異なる意見を持っています。私たちは異なる意見を持っています。There are different cultures. 異なる文化があります。異なる文化があります。I talk with different people. 異なる人々と話します。異なる人々と話します。He has a different perspective. 彼は異なる見方を持っています。彼は異なる見方を持っています。The most common synonyms of the 異なる are 違う and 異なる。違う is a more casual way of saying something is different, often used in everyday conversation. It implies a clear distinction. 異なる, on the other hand, is more formal and can be used in academic or serious discussions to indicate differences between concepts or categories. The most common antonyms of the 異なる are 同じ and 同様. 同じ means the same and is used to express that two things are identical or very similar. 同様 also means similar, but it can describe things that are comparable in some way, though not absolutely identical. Whereas 異なる emphasizes clear differences.